It's all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
One, two, 1, 2. Wagwan.
Hi Thomas, hi everyone.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
Hello, hello. How is everyone today?
All in, ready.
All in. Double your money Thursday with the Alpha FX.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
It's coffee.
Good morning. Good evening, sir. Hello.
Oh,
Hi.
look at that happy face. Hi, Chintan. It's a bit too bright.
Hello. How are you, Thomas?
Oh, nice. Nice round face. Big man.
Nice hair.
Big smile.
No, just
Such a
not
sweetheart.
really a big man.
How are you, Chintan?
All well. How are you?
Not too bad. Have you looked into today's jobless claims?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Let's have a look. Because we have 35 minutes until initial jobless claims. So let's see what we can see
Right.
on the chart. Alright. So today we are going to have initial Velani Shimvinga. How you doing, brother?
Oh, sorry, I'm okay, Thomas. Sorry, I was in the car just joining in.
No, that's
Looting
okay.
now.
That's okay. Don't trade and drive. It's dangerous. Ask Marwan.
Hi everyone.
All right. So today we are going to have we are going to have something which is called initial and continuing jobless claims. Okay, let me pick someone. Paolo Ricardo, what's the difference between initial and continuing jobless claims?
Initial is the people who just been unemployed. They are starting claiming benefits, and the continuously is the mass of numbers of people that are unemployed.
Exactly.
Receiving
So people who claim unemployment benefits for 2 or more months. Initial jobless claims are the people who are entering into unemployment and just starting to claim unemployment benefits, such as Raul, who just started his full-time day trading and going to start claiming unemployment benefits soon.
Thomas, you know, I make 2.5K in 2 days.
Oh my God.
But Raul, whatever money you can take from the government, take it. And I'm serious. When I went into unemployment with, I cashed out my bonus check from the bank I used to work for. It was a heavy bonus, almost my annual salary.
Don't forget, make the money, take the money.
In this
Yeah.
case, it's not the government, it's done by the union here in Sweden. So I pay it to the union. But I save money every month for education and other things.
Yeah.
So I'm starting an education. I paid for it. I don't slip that. No way.
Exactly. So when I went to, full-time trading, the first day I went to the local office who deal with the unemployment benefits, and I said I would like to ask for unemployment benefit, and the lady was like, she knew me. It's a small town. She was like, "Are you fucking serious?" And she asked for my First she asked for my paycheck, and to prove that I was employed, she looked at it. I was like, "Are you honestly claiming unemployment benefit?" I was like, "You better be sure. I paid the taxes. I want every single penny back." And for 3 months, I got some. It's very little unemployment things, but it was, you know, the coffee that I bought on that every morning tasted so much better because it's paid by the government. And remember that save money when you have money. Everyone can save money when they broke, but when you have money, that's when you have to. So go and claim that unemployment benefit, Raoul. You deserve it.
Yeah, but I have my golden handshake for, 10 months. So I made a kind of business plan for the 10 months where I'm investing, what I'm saving, how we created a backup and everything. So I have a plan.
Well done. So we have 30 minutes until Raul's initial jobless claims unemployment benefit is released. So let's have a look. How did the previous initial and unemployment benefit? Did my alert just go off? Oh, gold is on the rise. Very good. Very good. Who's in a gold long? Who's in a gold short?
No, I only scalped a little bit.
Long. I'm in a buy.
I'm in long.
Still holding it since morning.
Scalping.
Scalping. All right.
Bye.
The news is coming. It's scalpers world in that case.
Yeah. So until we wait for the initial jobless claims, let's have a look. How did the initial jobless claim affected the gold and stock market last time? So I'm just going to mute everyone, and if you wish to speak, you know where to find the unmute button, and feel free to say something if you want. Mute all. All right. So this time, the unemployment jobless claims, or initial and continuing jobless claims, in my opinion, it can affect the market two ways. And it's important that we always start with a higher picture macroeconomic analysis and have a plan that how is it going to affect the market. Now, a better than expected number, which is a lower, remember we're talking about unemployment or initial jobless claims, they call it in the US. So the less people claiming initial and continuing jobless claims, that means that the labor market is still tightening, is still doing too well, it's still strong, which has an inflationary pressure. So in this case, a better than expected number, which is lower than expected, how is it going to affect the labor market? It's better, right? And that means that the Fed perceives it or translates it into as like, oh shit, fuck, it's inflationary, so we need to raise interest rate. So that's actually bad for gold and bad for stocks. Perfect example, if you look back what happened in the past 1 week. We had the NFP data on Friday, right here. The data was way better than expected. 263k versus 200. So economists definitely undershot the forecast. And it resulted in a dump of gold. Of course, initially it came back and closed out all the sellers who had the short position too long. That's why I say make the money, take the money. Don't hold it too long on big event days. But then on the next week, Monday, we had again a PMI number. I think it was PMI or PPI. Anyway, factory gate numbers. And the numbers were quite good, which means that the economy is still doing too strong and it has an inflationary pressure. And then the market again crashed. So this time, if we have a better than expected number, meaning that the number that's going to be printed today is lower than the forecast or even the previous, that means the economy is still doing well. And it can go two ways. Either the market is going to buy it based on the news that yes, it's doing well, but then we have the sell effect because the smart money and the institutions know exactly that a better than expected number is actually bad, because the better the labor market, the stronger, the tighter the labor market, the higher the Fed is going to increase interest rate. Remember that the Fed has a dual mandate. One of them is full employment, so they have to make sure that they support the labor market with interest rates. And the second one is price stability, which comes from one hand the exchange rate, that is stable exchange rate, and also the prices are stable. But right now, inflation is way too high, so it's not stable. Businesses and households cannot plan ahead because the budget they have is not enough for survival. So therefore, if the number is better than expected, the market should crash. Or we have an effect that buy the news and sell the effect and is going to sell off after. The same way, no, actually not the same way. And the other one, if the number is worse than expected, so it's increasing, how should that affect gold? I just explained the one scenario, and I want you to explain the second one. So if the number is worse than expected, so higher than expected, more people going into unemployment, how is it going to affect the market? Gold.
Higher gold.
Yeah, in theory it should push it up. And why should it push it up?
Because then the government have to increase the, what's it called? The interest rates.
Isn't it decreasing? It's the other side. Yeah, it's the other side because the labor market's showing a weakness, a cooling of the labor market. So a worse than expected number is actually good for the Fed because more people are unemployed, and they, unemployed people ain't gonna go out on Christmas, Boxing Day and start shopping and spend money. They're going to go for survival. They're gonna eat potatoes and drink tap water. So that's the two effect. Let's have a look. How did the market reacted for the last initial jobless claim, which was on 1st of December? All we have to do is just find the right date, 1st of December. 1st of December.
Thomas, can I ask a question, please?
Yep, go ahead.
On a brokers, the time is always messed up. I want to ask you if when it comes to trading view, is the time accurate to what the place that you live in, or you have to go on a setting? Because I don't know trading view very well.
So what's the question about the timing? I didn't catch it.
Yeah, the time frames not the actual timing of the news events release on the charts. They only respond correlated to the place that you're living in, because
it's the same chart. It's real time.
Okay.
You can switch. So if you want to add, if you type in gold, you have different brokers. So it's on the right hand side. You just choose the closest to your broker, and that's it. And by the way, start looking in some profits, guys, because the market is moving
right now.
The market is moving.
I'm liking this one. It's good.
You making money, brother?
I'm making a little bit of money. So that's no small pocket money, but it's good.
It's profit is profit, but make sure you
all day
take the money. Woo. So this analysis was actually shared during the morning briefing when we had this bull flag pattern appearing, and we had a cluster of confirmations to enter into a buy, and currently these buys are running in a whopping profit. We had buys on Tuesday, we had buys today, and currently the Tuesday ones are running in 370 pips, and today's ones are running in around 50 pips each of the positions. So it's very good. Very, very good.
Amazing.
I'm gonna quickly lock in some profits.
I think I've sorry to cut you right there. I cut my ones too early. As soon as I come out, these things start raising me more and more.
Yeah, but news is coming out and we don't know what is going to be, so
that was my thought process right there.
Yeah.
The gold pierced my screen up.
Do you want to see something? So I went into a few buys.
Crazy, man. You're crazy.
Yeah, but I trust in my analysis.
That's crazy.
Yeah. 630 pips.
Amazing, man.
Well done.
That's called screen piercing.
But I'm gonna start looking in profit, so make the money, take the money. News is coming out in 22 minutes. The only easy day was yesterday and today and the day before. So if you're the Alpha FX member, And what we're going to do is we're going to have a look how did the previous initial jobless claims affected the market, which was on 1st of December. Let me just mute everyone quickly.
Orders, okay, waiting for their buy and sell. All right, so let's watch and see.
Who's Jason? Are you watching someone else on YouTube? Are you cheating on me?
That's mad.
Oh, who was it?
What? I have no idea.
Come on, guys. I've heard it's someone else streaming. Bad.
Pornhub, what's that?
Pornhub. Okay, so 1st of December. But we had ISM manufacturing, which is actually quite misleading. Now, on 1st of December, we actually had multiple data. We had ISM as well, the PMI, which isn't ideal. So we had different kind of news as well, but we had the labor market as well. So if we exclude the PMIs, which in a way is more important, then we had a bullish effect on gold. Today what I'm expecting is a buy then use and sell effect type of scenario. Because if you look at the technicals, we had on Tuesday, we had a beautiful, nice bullish M pattern. So the minus 27 is actually lining up. If you go to the counter trend, if you use the Fibonacci, which I love religiously, look at this, 7860 lines up with the minus 127. This is how you use the Fibonacci for extra confirmation. And what we could see today, while I'm just looking in some more profits, what we could see today is a buy then use and sell effect type of scenario. If we have a worse than expected data, which is actually better than expected. Sorry, better than expected, because better than expected meaning that the number is going to be lower because we're talking about unemployment. So you have to think differently. And what it's going to do is that if we have a worse than expected number, no, better than expected, which is worse, the more unemployment is issued, more people claiming unemployment benefits, then we're going to see, could be that the price is going to push up, and then at this price level, we're going to see reversals. Buy then use and sell effect. Or, depending on the data, because remember, we don't know what the data is yet, unless if you know, please shout it out. We could see that, you know, the price is immediately invalidated, or the setup is immediately invalidated and just crashes the market. So this is why it's important that we are cautious. So I have closed down all the larger buys, and right now is just waiting for, you know, the initial jobless claims. I'm gonna keep holding these 4 buys as runners because I locked in most of the profit. And that's it for today. Any questions?
Good night.
Bye. Oh.
Wonderful profit from morning briefing. Thank you very much, Thomas.
You're very welcome, brother.
Thomas, I have a question. USD CAD, I'm on sell from top. You think I close it or I hold it?
I don't trade USD CAD, darling. I don't even have it on my watch list.
USD CAD position. I've just closed 90% of it because I took it from the top, and I've just closed 90% of the position where it is now. So just in case that would be of any help to you, it's quite a big move since this morning.
Close it, close it. I just check it, close it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go. You don't need me. People help you in the alpha community. That's why I love the communities. Everyone is so helpful.
Absolutely.
I'm familiar with it. That's why I said close it.
Thank you so much, Tom. How did you like today's morning briefing? It was quite to the point, short.
It was really nice one.
Informative.
The first one, yes, very much.
Is your first morning briefing?
Yeah, it was.
Did you enjoy the first one, Paolo?
I did very well. Very much informative, on point. What the hell is this going on? Hold on.
Get used to it.
Nah,
it's part of the team. They're just part of the team. Get used to them.
I get it. I used to watch, but I haven't seen this kind of level though. Nah, hell.
You get to enjoy my soundboard, all the effects that comes with it. So let's go ahead. I'm just gonna draw on the chart.
I'm watching gold on the 5 minutes time frame, and there is a big wick, and there is still a big possibility to spike down and up again.
As always. That's why I locked in most of the profits.
Like
majority of the profits is closed
we
in.
Can go, we can go as deep as 83 and shoot up.
The USD index shows then a head and shoulders pattern, and if it is valid, then we're going to see a nice drop on dollar.
Yes.
I
disagree with you.
Can I have a question to Marwan?
Sure.
How's it going? Okay.
Great, thank you.
How are you picking the volume today? What's in your mind?
Well, Thomas is here now. I have nothing to say.
Okay, cool.
You
pass the
but usually the with high impact events, the volume, I don't think it
works.
It works, you know.
Okay, I understand.
I don't rely on it. I rely on some.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Well done. Thank you.
Lower than expected.
Come on.
Is this clear? The description.
Yes, we can read it for sure. Yeah.
Okay, let's adventure to US 30 as well. Now on US 30, I'm going to stay out now.
Yeah.
It's you know, it's moving sideways, and it is going to be fully dependent on the data, but.
Time to say goodnight.
And the other thing that makes it difficult to trade initial jobless claims, the good thing is that we don't have any other high impact data along with initial and continued jobless claims. But if you look at the difference between, because you know, initial means the people who claim unemployment benefit for the first time, continuing is the people who continue for 2 or more months, and there could be a discrepancy between the two, i.e. less people claiming first time but more people, so there could be one of them increasing or better, the other one is the other way around, which makes it a little bit difficult to trade. But we have some clues that we can use. For example, the previous challenger job claims, the previous NFP, like so many jobs have been created, and yet if we see an increase in unemployment, i.e. continuing jobless claims. How should that affect the stock market? It's quite tricky, isn't it, when you have to do analysis on the spot? But long story short, week on week we definitely see worsening numbers, and even if you look at the Economist forecast, it's slightly undershot the previous one, but if you see that every single forecast is increasing, so the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the people at the Bureau of Labor Statistics definitely expecting some increase in jobless claims, and if you look, the numbers are definitely increasing, but if you look at the bigger picture, it's still, the labor market is way too tight, like super tight. The last time it was this low, around the 70s. Right, people on YouTube, let's push up the number of likes to 250, and you got actually 10 minutes to do it. Otherwise, I'll have to end the stream, brothers and sisters. Yeah, that's the price.
What 250? 500?
Yeah, I don't think they can push it up to 500.
Has our new member from YouTube been in touch? Have they joined the group yet, Thomas?
Spicy Adam. Let me see. Adam Spice, are you here?
Come on down, the price is right.
No, maybe he's too shy to speak.
Just to prove to all the YouTubers you did in fact give away the free membership yesterday.
What happened with them?
The free member yesterday.
Yeah. We should we do another giveaway today? Twice in a row.
Oh, that would be good. This is the
yeah, but I can't do it with 211 likes. It's a bit of an insult. Okay. Oh, gold is pushing up. Gold is pushing up. Ho ho. Who's in profit?
Oh, then we're going down later.
Be positive, Raul, please.
Yeah.
Party crasher.
Party crasher.
Yeah, party crasher. Then you have positive jobless claims. They bring it to a discount level to buy, to sell. Mark my words.
Raul, do you are in the DAX trade short still?
What?
Do you in the short DAX trade?
No. I scalped this morning.
Okay. You sent an analysis around about a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and.
Oh no, nothing. I closed it before the weekend.
Okay, thanks.
Raul, I'm facing a problem with my broker for the scalping on 1 minute and 5 minutes because of the big gap, man.
Okay.
Killing me. So then I need to go. I'm going with a much smaller lot, so I accommodate the gap.
Okay.
Ridiculous.
I had with my FOREX fund on Monday. It made a drop and I had slippage. I had a stop loss for, was it about 20 pips? And he closed it with 60 pips.
Hello.
Wow.
Oh, only 232 likes. Should end
70 more for an giveaway.
Yep. Oops.
Yep.
They can't see the screen now, can they? Oh, it's back, it's back. Oh my god. Oh, it's gone again. Damn it. Oh, it's back. Ho, ho, ho. And gold is pushing up.
Oh, mistake.
Make the money, take the money. 4 positions, cumulative, almost 500 pips.
Nice.
Your likes go up. So was
What was that?
your
Raoul.
likes going up? Yeah.
Can you hear me?
No.
Hello?
No, don't fuck with me. I have a Wi-Fi at the
Raoul?
Cannot hear you.
Yes, you can.
Hello, Raoul? Raoul, are you there? You're scaring me.
Fuck you.
Hello? Hello?
Thomas, I like your humor. I like your humor.
I know, and I have a lot of it.
Raoul, how's the antenna, please, guys.
Yeah, that's why I don't believe him.
Fasten your antenna and prepare for takeoff. This is a non-smoking tip.
No, we don't smoke.
Grab a snack and enjoy the ride. See you under the water in the sky.
All right, let's take some profit, guys, because we are reaching the previous high now. So it's time to...
Shows how it was.
90 levels, 1790 is an important level.
Ah, damn it. I don't know what to do. We're in profit. That's when you have your plan, analyze the market in the morning, have your plan ready, starting with the macroeconomics. And by the way, we have 5 minutes left. Let's start with the macroeconomics, which we did during the morning briefing, and then looked at the charts for entry, and you know, the entry was there confirming the bigger picture, the macroeconomics, the fundamentals. So all we had to do is just pull the trigger and enter. I love the morning briefings.
Oh.
But now it's time to make some money. Take some money. We made the money already, sorry. I'm talking rubbish.
Yes, sir.
We made the money. So now it's, you know, just observing how the jobless claims are going to affect the market. And we have 3 minutes left, 3.5. What do you think the number is going to be? Higher than expected? Worse than expected?
Higher than expected.
So it's
Lower.
worse than expected, right?
Lower.
Lower than expected. Is it better, the lower than expected number?
I think better than expected.
So you mean the better than expected, meaning that less people going into unemployment, right? Asal and Raoul.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if less
Yeah.
people going into unemployment, is it inflationary or deflationary? If more people staying in
Inflationary.
jobs? Yeah. So how is it going
But
to
then
affect?
we have sell the news, buy the news, sell the facts.
Yeah, because we have all the retailers who like, oh yeah, it's better. Let's push the market up.
Mm-hmm.
Now we know exactly how should we trade this kind of news because you have an in-house economist.
Yes, yeah. That's why you didn't get the day off today, Mark.
Yeah, I know. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a day off though.
Yeah.
All right. 31 more likes on YouTube, and I'm going to continue the stream. And literally, you have 2 minutes until the news release. Oh, the screen is gone. Come on, guys. 30 more likes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Now, how should we trade it? It's a bit difficult because the news is, we don't know the news, but don't rush into any trades. Let's see the news first and then we can fine tune. If it comes up, we have a clear resistance level at 1800, so let's see how the market is going to react, but don't rush into any trading decisions. We are already in position because we had the privilege to do a morning briefing and enter into good juicy trades and run in 500 pips of profit, which, if you're not a member, then unfortunately you can't enjoy this benefit, can you?
No.
So now we're just observing, and we have 1 minute until the data release. Is there anything else afterwards? No, not much. Are we going to double our money or not?
1% is nice also.
Yeah, it's very nice.
What happened now?
We are 28 seconds. What happened? $20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you know the number, if you see it, shout it out. Market is pushing down a little bit. What was the number? Right now, it hasn't refreshed. Oh, its initial jobless claims is the same, and continuing is actually quite bad. It's 71k more than the forecast. It's definitely, worse than expected in terms of unemployment is going up. So, okay. How is it going to affect the market, guys?
Bullish for gold.
Pump it up.
Hi guys.
Hey Gian, how you doing, brother?
Okay. Have you gotten your lunch?
Sorry?
Have you received your lunch?
Yes, it's right here.
Oh, nice.
The 50mm G Master by Sony. It's sharp as hell.
Yes.
Okay. So quickly, let's just have a look on the market. The market is, quite now thinking about, okay, so we have initial jobless claims, which is stayed the same. So the same amount of people entering into unemployment, which was still high, 230k, but more people claiming continuing jobless claims, meaning that more people stay in longer term unemployment. So the labor market showing a little bit of cooling, which means the Fed doesn't have to raise, in theory, interest rate that hard because, more people staying in longer term unemployment. Therefore, there's a possibility, a slight hope that the Fed, it's a bit of deflationary. So I think that gold has a little bit of room to the upside. Would I enter into a position right now? Maybe not, because the move has already started and we just printed this data. So those of you who don't have the privilege to attend on the morning briefings, you just have to wait and see whether the price is going to pull back or push up. And then we have clear support and resistance levels, areas to watch. One of them is 1800. I mean, come on, it's a strong psychological number. Clearly there should something happen. And do we have any monthly pivot there, Raul?
Let's watch. We bought the weekly and the daily. We are above.
Yeah, we are up, so it's a clear buy. That's why we entered on the daily. Let's have a look on the monthly. Who's in position?
I am still in a buy.
Still in a buy. Very good.
The monthly is quite low.
Still got a buy.
Still got a buy.
All three monthly. 2023 is the month.
And it's pumping.
Oh
I
yeah.
took profit from my lower positions, keeping the higher one.
moving nice.
And why is it pumping? I mean, most of the people can't explain why gold is pumping up. I just gave you the explanation that the reasoning behind it. So because more people staying longer term unemployment, that means that the labor market is cooling off. More people staying in longer term unemployment. And if more people claiming unemployment benefit, meaning that they have less income, so the households have less money to spend. If they have less money to spend, there's less money circulating in the economy. It creates less inflationary pressure, which is actually good for the Fed. The Fed wants to reduce inflation. And if the labor market is helping or coping with the Fed and more people getting unemployed, then the Fed doesn't have to go that hard with interest rate increase. That's how the market thinks. That's how investors and traders think. And that's why gold started to push a little bit higher and hopefully continue to do so until 1800.
Yeah, and the volume is increasing also, so it's additional signs.
Yeah,
Buying.
and Marwan, our volume expert, just confirmed another confirmation. And imagine how many people selling it here because, oh, it's a double top.
Yes.
I have no idea what these numbers...
Yeah.
I don't know what these numbers mean, but I see double top. I'm going to go full margin, put my student loan or, get my Vice credit card. I'm going to sell the shit out of gold. And then they got burned because they have no clue how does the labor market data affecting the Fed interest rate decision and how does it move the market. Simple as that. Make the money, take the money. Or maybe they're going to be outnumber the smart people and they're going to push the market down. So never say never. Anything is possible in the market. So I'm pushing everything into break even and I'm going to start locking in some profits.
The head and shoulder pattern on the USD index is confirmed. It did break down.
The head and shoulder pattern was broken down?
No, yeah, it is confirmed. So the dollar dropped down, and it exactly confirmed the head and shoulder pattern.
Yeah, and US Canadian also is dropping hard. So the US USD is weakening. And
so what does it mean for gold?
Pumping.
It's gonna pump up.
Pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Okay, so I'm locking in some more
You're
profits.
USD flying.
I'm locking in some more Oh, why did I close down the 30 lot trade? Damn it.
I like that one. I like that. The ultimate push up. And I close it. Make the money, take the money. So, so it's good. So I've done almost 300 with this trade. Thank you everyone.
Welcome.
Very, very good.
Oh yeah.
Hey, ladies and
Let's go. That's the second profit of the build up for the morning briefing and with the Alpha team. Second profit. 2 trades, 2 W. I'm happy.
Double your money with the Alpha FX.
Oh, baby.
I thought he gonna say that's the first profit of my life.
Nah, come on, where you go?
No, this year.
Very cold. Oh, this year, yeah, I agree with that.
Right. So those lucky people who saved some money and have left some money for Christmas, I have an offer for you to spend it with 50% discount for, one membership left. Damn it. You have to be really fast to spend it. So 50% discount to join the Alpha FX membership. By the way, members have 60% for family and friends. You get lifetime membership, daily analysis, live trading, swing and scalping strategies, a price action ebook, update on my trades, and a happy meal, blah, 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 blah. Guys, was it beneficial? this week, the morning briefings? Did you make money?
Of course.
Yes, sir.
Does it have any added value for your trading?
100%. You know, the membership. If you have a $500 account, the membership is only 2 or 3 trades.
Oh, this is an example of my one just now.
I think the main point is that we will know everything about market fundamental knowledge day by day better. This one is very important.
What's the base of why the movements of the market?
So you can draw as many trend lines as you want, but essentially if you trade in financial markets, you have to understand finance and economics. You have to understand what does it mean if, for example, the Asian market closing in positive? What does it mean if there's a lockdown easing in China? What does it mean as more COVID cases going up? What does it mean if the Fed increasing the interest rate? You have to understand everything. There's literally a sea of indicators and market data and fundamentals. Like, you just go to Coifin, look at this, all of these numbers. What does it mean? Jesus freaking Christ. You look at the global yields. What the fish does it mean if the US is increasing interest rate? How is it affecting the gold and stock market? It is intimidating at first, but I love it. I love to build up macro strategies, translate it into actual trading plans and setups, just as we did today. And if you have a morning briefing where I talk a lot, I mean, because I love economics and I explain, you know, how, I love it. So I help to translate, you know, all of this into actual trading strategies, and that's what you see on the chart right now. Let me press it again.
And that's the amazing thing about what is actually offered with Alpha Effects, in my opinion, is that the amount of information that's provided on a daily basis, it's just so current. And as we know, to be update with the current market sentiment and conditions, and then to have your knowledge and everybody else that puts their information forward. I mean, I haven't come across a community, in all honesty, and I know I'm a part of Alpha Effects, but I'm going to say I haven't come across a community that's so willing to give, so open and transparent, with so much information on offer at such a ridiculously cheap price to join. So thank you.
That's a perfect summary. Yeah, I love it. £5 for you, as we discussed before the stream.
I want to have.
No, it's but yeah, I think it's a good value for money. I want to reach 1,000 members. That's one of my TPs. And plus, you get information you never get anywhere else. For example, Bees and Sophie's phone numbers.
It's true.
Anyway, so market looks like started to find some resistance. It could be because of the double top. Maybe we have people pushing down the price. Who knows? Let's see what else do we have in terms of the fib. 50% fib. Oh, 61.80. If you correct it for the not the wicks but the candle tops, it still hasn't reached yet.
Yeah,
let's see if
we still have long way to go, Thomas. Long way.
Yeah, slowly but surely. It's the same slow but hard push as Jay Powell going to push next year with the interest rates.
It sounds weird.
Here's a question from Matej Podrichnik. You trade daily live with your members. You also discuss possible trades in the morning briefing before possible entries. I'll let you answer this question. Let's have a look on today's #1 forecaster for. What do you think? Do I discuss the entries with you?
Yeah.
Sure.
So this was before, and that's after. We did discuss. If I look back to 6th. Broke out from this. The quality isn't the best here. We'll just ramp it up to 1080. Yeah, we did discuss it. That's why you see 4 entries on my chart. Boom. I discuss everything. And make sure you lock in the profits because we had a pullback just now on gold.
It's just a retest on the trend line. The
Oh.
broken trend.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Hey.
It's just another opportunity
Hey,
to
hey.
enter.
Thanks.
Opportunity to enter. Yep.
You know, by dropping, I start selling.
I know you were in a sell already.
In the lower time, too many wicks on the upside, exactly in a point of interest.
Raul, can you share the link for your antenna supplier, please?
You want to hack it? Look at that. Ding, ching, ching. 40 pips, guys. I close it.
No.
It's in the pocket.
Just perfect.
Who made money today?
Yes.
Me.
Yep.
I saw you always making money.
Bami.
Yeah, because I follow you.
Good answer.
Regular alpha event. Make the pips, take the pips.
Yeah, I mean, Monday was especially painful. Or Tuesday. Yeah, this sideways movement was absolutely disgusting. This is when I said I won't be trading, and I'm so glad that I took the day off because I know that so many people got stuck in this sideways movement. But then market started to push up. We had made some money. All right. Is the retest done?
Not yet.
Not yet.
So a little bit maybe to the 61.80 before it's continuing higher. Oops, don't move that. I want to move this. Push it right here. Maybe stop loss can be moved a little bit up. Oh, that's the head and shoulder you mentioned. This one. Am I right?
I'm using the USD index, so that's I posted it on the share your charts. You can see that. You can see it there.
Well, basically, gold have a short head and two big shoulders.
And a big...
You can draw it in another way also.
And a big ding-dong it has. Likes to use it many times.
And very painful.
Yeah. It's pushing in slow and hard.
Oh, yeah.
Well, once you're on the right side of the tool, it's actually quite satisfactory. So, those who missed the beautiful entry this morning, should they enter into long? Because it looks like that the retest has been done. Or is it going to come a little bit lower? What do you think?
Some room.
Still has some room. Maybe 78.6 would be a good entry. Or maybe from the current position. What do you think? Marwan, what does your volume tell you?
I'm waiting for the 5 minutes to close candle.
It's a 30 pips move.
I'm already in.
You're already in. Oh. People ask me to analyze US 30, but in, focusing too much on the profits, on the running positions that we have, I actually ignored US 30. And I have no idea what's happening. You know, it's just too much to focus on. US 30 looks like it's pushing up. Exactly the same reason as I explained on gold. The worsening labor market data is a sign of cooling of the labor market conditions. The cooler the labor market, the more unemployed people on the streets or possibly at home enjoying unemployment. It's better for the Fed because that means that the Fed is doesn't have to go that hard with the interest rate increase. So in this case, worst number is actually a good number for gold and for the Fed. Did anyone close down all the positions, or are you guys still holding?
No, I'm still holding mine.
I've closed, yeah. I think I'm done for the day.
Buy or sell, Marwan?
Bye.
Buy or sell, stop loss?
Bye.
I entered with
No
one
stop
lot.
loss.
I entered with one lot.
Non-stop.
With a whopping one lot, just to
Non-stop.
confirm the retest. Look at it, it's already running in £70 of profit. Insane, insane profits today, guys. £70. But that, £70, because focus on the pips and not the monetary value. It's important, of course.
Did you
because
close it again?
No.
Oh, I think you took 70.
Yeah,
No.
I entered now into a buy another one.
Be careful because, you know, looking at the chart, we could have a deeper retest. Who knows?
Yeah.
It's on the, what is it? The weekly R1, so I'm a little bit risky.
Yeah.
The wick, it closed below and it still respects them as a resistance. So.
Yeah.
What? The R1 is way higher, Raul. The weekly R1.
What is it done? The monthly?
No, maybe the daily. The daily R1.
No, it's not the daily.
It is the daily.
No, it's not the daily. It's the monthly.
It's the daily.
Where it's bouncing on. No.
It's the daily, right here.
Yeah.
This one is the daily, Raul.
But a little bit under where the price is now. That's the R1 monthly.
Yeah,
and it seems to start breaking now.
All right, maybe, okay. Is it possible? Yeah, it could be. Could be that you're right this time.
But should probably feel the wick.
Feel the wick.
Quick.
And it's running in 13 pips of profit.
But the reaction a little bit disappointing. So.
No, you can't have everything, can you? Always the
Maybe it's
same.
waiting for the New York.
I would have what is it? 150 pips move. Now we only have 40.
What do you think
With
would be
lot.
an ideal take profit? Because soon we have to think about cashing out. Tomorrow is Friday.
This is one. Another one. Other one is around 95, 98. I think that's then the next level for me.
Yes.
Yeah, I think you're right. It seems reasonable. 93 is the fib, 61.80. Strong, very strong number.
95 the R2 daily. and we have an order block between 49, 94, 98 about-ish.
Yeah, you professional on order block. But 93, 95 and 99, actually rounded up to 800. These are the levels. You know, anything above from the current price level is bonus, in my opinion.
I think the first trade block you had, take profit is the level to get out. Oh,
30 pips.
Let's see whether it's going to break through this resistance level.
No, I'd have to fill the week, I think.
I'm gonna change the music.
Oh, no, still respecting the monthly M1.
Yeah, now it's kind of having difficulties to find direction. So we have 36 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange open. Shall we wait?
Yeah. Hey, Marwan.
What's up?
Do you know why sex is like a game of bridge?
Here we go. Here we go.
If you have a great hand, you don't need a partner. We have to fill the...
What was the joke? Sorry, I missed it.
Yeah, me too.
How is sex like a like a game of bridge? You know,
What?
bridge.
Sex? What? Hold on, slow down.
Bridge?
Why sex is like a game of bridge?
What?
What is bridge?
Bridge is a game.
Card play.
Bridge is a card game.
If you have a great hand, you don't need a partner.
OMG. Are you sure that Raul was in automotive business or something else?
I started to doubt. But you know, actually Raul was in the first 10 alphas who joined the community 2 years ago, and he got the membership for free. And I'm really start thinking that it was one of the worst decisions of my life.
No, wait, we can discuss it. Then I bought a membership for my wife, she never used. So
yeah,
theory,
then I gave you a membership for
pay
your daughter.
my...
and your sister-in-law.
Yeah.
So basically the whole Raul family is within the alpha community. Oh, they're all lovely people.
Later he need a membership for the antenna.
Yeah.
I have other question. I don't think he left the job. I think because of this kind of joking, they kick him out.
Oh!
I don't dare to talk like this.
Wow. Actually, Assad has a point. Raul, what happened really?
Do you want to know it?
I don't believe him.
Those meetings last week, they were disciplinary meetings, actually.
Oh.
Meetings with HR.
No, it's a matter of fact. I had some quite tough discussions with the CEO.
I mean, he had tough discussions with you.
No, like other side.
How tough was
I have
it?
some things
How
on
tough
paper.
was it?
I was asked him promises on paper, and he don't keep his promises. So I told him he was one of the worst CEOs I ever seen.
Did you say that to the CEO of the company?
Yeah.
Wow.
And he didn't like this, and I think that's why they approved it so easily.
Mm. So you went him.
He started creating a group around him as kissers. You don't need that in a company. Everything you say yes, that doesn't improve the company.
Yeah, but it feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it feels good.
Is he much younger than you, Raul?
Yeah.
Yeah, expected.
The problem, what's your new boss like, Raul?
That's my wife, but she's not that new anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, out of the
Ooh.
No, he was 20. He was 32, and I think one of the boss. I think that I said to him, he was an accountant, and he thinking only in numbers. And I told him, if you buy a machine, you calculate the return of investment. You forget if you treat your employees on the wrong side, that you don't get any return of investment out of it. So, it was. But I told him straight in the face that I didn't trust him anymore. If you don't keep your promises, then I can't trust you. I said.
So you basically went into your boss's office. You trashed him multiple ways, said to him how shit he is doing his job, etc., etc., and he said yes. Well, I understand why he said yes.
Then I said I want to leave. But I did that also because I have the plan to trade full time. And
yeah, I know you've been saying this for a long time.
I'm good at we talked a lot about it. We did so much, especially with the Corona with customers, and he, like an accountant, only see numbers.
Gold is going up, guys.
Guys.
And I got in as well.
There's no bottom wick, so a new 4-hour candle just opened. So be careful. We could have a wick fill. We could have a little bit push higher, but when New York is opening, we could have a reversal. And so far, buy the news and sell the fact. Remember what I said? We could have that kind of effect. So what I'm doing is we have to replan. We made 210 pips of the first trade, then the second one was let's round it up to 100, give the man a break. But now we started to see some kind of resistance. But is it resistance or is it a consolidation again? Because gold loves to consolidate. What do you think?
I personally think you will do a weak fill, and then if you have enough strength to keep up with the next 5-minute candle, we can see what's.
If the 5-minute candle closes above the pivot line, it's a continuation up. If not, then already broke it and it's retesting it.
Okay. We should have plenty of room to go up. Plenty.
Are you sure 1800 is very close and we have quite really strong resistance levels? I understand that if you look at the macroeconomics, that the worse than expected job number is actually bullish for gold.
Yeah.
But then we have it's tough. It's still pushing up. I don't complain.
It's going well, yeah.
Based on technical analysis, we might see a new high.
That's the problem with economists. I tend to overthink and overcomplicate things.
Any one-handed economists in the group? They're always in short supply.
You are? Are you one of the 100?
Oh, whoa, hold on. Josephina Brinson, can you hear me? Josephina.
Yes, good morning.
You messaged that you want to buy a membership for your son.
Yes.
Don't buy it.
Yes.
How old is he?
He's 32.
Oh wow. I was expecting like 16 and interested in financial markets.
18, 19, I think something here.
Yeah, and 32.
Yes.
Wow. So he's just a little younger than me. How old are you, Josephina?
59.
59. What a wonderful age.
Nice.
And
Thank
you
you.
trading financial markets?
Yes, I just follow your trades.
That's it.
That's all.
Honest.
I
Honest.
just take your trades.
Exactly.
Do you have interest in? Do you enjoy being here?
Oh, yes. I enjoy it.
Very well.
It's not so hot on Raoul's jokes, mind you.
Yeah, but I always.
Did you say something, Brendan? I didn't hear you.
Yeah, the 59-year-old lady likes everything except your jokes.
What? I have to do something with the attendant. It doesn't work.
Anyway,
I enjoy his jokes.
Yes, he said.
when did you join, Josephina?
I actually joined, I think 2 years ago, but I just started again.
Wow, you've been quiet
yes.
for a long time.
Yes. So I just started like 2 months ago again because I
Back
was,
again.
like a realtor and because I live in the United States. Yep.
How?
So the
wow.
market is kind of calm again.
The
so-
schedule as well. Probably the schedule.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good timing.
The market is the market is slow now. So I said, okay, let me start trading.
That's welcome
done.
back.
Thank you.
2 years.
That's a beautiful picture of you.
Oh, thank
Oh, there we go. There we go. Check your DM, Josephina.
Guys, keep it.
Behave. I know Josephina is a wonderful lady, but behave, guys.
Yeah, we
You have-
don't want to have a Me Too issue on YouTube.
You have to earn her attention.
Oh, it's a
That's so funny.
Okay, guys.
It's the reversal in gold.
Yes. That's why I wanted to explain that. We might have a bigger pullback. We have the US session coming up in 25 minutes. Looking at the economic calendar, not much in my calendar that could help to push up the price. So, it could be that it's just tricking in all the double top buyers. Fundamentally, there is no change. We just had the data. Who knows? But be careful.
Look at the
Make
push,
sure-
John. Look at the push.
What push?
On the 5 minutes.
Push-ups.
Again.
It's pushing up. It's a beautiful, nice market structure going high. But when gold is going up the stairs,
You drop suddenly. I get it. That's why I'm
it
gonna get out.
It comes down the elevator. But we don't know which floor is it going to, the 8th or 7th.
I'm out. Oh shit! Yeah, forget it. I'm out. That's another £100. That's good.
Oh, it's easy, cowboy. Easy, tiger. It's another £100. I'm gonna make 100, and then you lose 1,000. So it's, when the fun stops.
No. Don't you bad luck.
That's why I don't do anything.
Makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. Right?
Yeah, if
God, no. The money.
That's it. That's the concept that I was in.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Yes.
No! No!
Is Ahmed back in the room?
I love the vibe.
Margin call?
No!
I love the vibe. This is another reason why I love being in the Alpha FX. It's priceless. I mean, other groups are so poisonous, and you got the dick measuring all day, but we have just fun, mature adults.
True. That's
Yeah, we have some dirty jokes from Raul, but we can live with that.
But people from all around the world is typing in, so and makes enjoyable for sure.
How we know why Raul was kicked out
And
of
we
his
have
job?
all the hot girls in the
Bad
group,
jobs.
like Josefina, B, Sophie, Namita.
The alpha females.
Alpha females, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey.
Hey, come on.
Hey.
We missed her.
See.
I was just laughing, guys. You guys are so funny.
I know.
You forget the market wizard.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, B.
Yeah, it's so long. Thomas, don't. I'm so lonely, like trading alone when there's no live.
Oh, how can we help in this loneliness, B? Can we help in any way?
DM me.
Oh, there.
What's the water pressure like in your bathroom?
Thomas, this is why I don't speak.
I know. Are you blushing now, B?
Oh no.
Always.
How you see that?
But
Just
you
kidding.
guys, you have no idea how B is such a gorgeous lady. I saw her.
Don't
She's
be
so beautiful.
Okay.
Guys, change the topic.
Show
I lost
us.
connection.
Thomas, I think you should mention in your website this group is under 18 not allowed.
Yeah.
That's why I asked the age of Josephine's son. Sure.
Oh yeah, the age. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Raul,
He was afraid that under 18.
Raul, I have a question.
Yeah.
Are you Dutch?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I heard on your accent. Okay, that makes sense.
You're Dutch too, right?
Yeah, correct.
I thought it was Spanish.
No, I'm Dutch. I'm living in the Netherlands.
Chango, you Spanish? Oh, Dutch.
No,
Sorry, I thought you...
I'm born
Oh,
in,
I
born
speak
in
Dutch too.
Oh!
Hoe gaat het?
Ja.
We smakkelen.
Ik ben van Suriname. I'm
Oh
from
yeah,
Suriname.
me too.
Suriname.
Oh, hey.
Oh, now
Wow.
you're a minority, Thomas.
Guys, back to English. Gold full.
Yeah, gold is
Where
falling.
you from, Singelman?
Sorry?
Where are you from?
I'm from Suriname also.
Yeah, but where do you live in the Netherlands?
I live in Alkmaar, the cheese city.
I'm from Alkmaar. I live in Sweden, but I'm born and raised in Alkmaar.
Oh,
too.
cool, man. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
De Beewaarden.
Oh, is that the area?
Bregwaard.
Oh, okay.
You don't know that.
No. I live in the center.
In the center.
Vondelstraat? You know Vondelstraat?
Yeah.
I live there.
Cool. From Alkmaar. That's a coincidence.
Yeah. Funny, man.
Yeah, but I moved 13 years ago.
13 years ago. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, 10. Sorry, 10,
Oh, 10,
10 years
okay.
ago to here to
Yeah.
Sweden.
You're just keeping the accent.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Guys, the cheese is not helping with gold, guys.
I'm sorry. Okay, let's go.
All right.
Hey, Alkmaar is the cheese city.
Yeah.
The cheese market. It's where all the Asian people come on every Friday.
Yeah, correct.
Aye.
And all the tulip fields.
Yeah, but that is
Oh my god.
that is in Listen.
Yeah, no. Alkmaar also all in area.
Yeah.
That was the young guy you working in the summers, earning some money. We're going down, guys. It's respected. But 70, 90 levels so nicely.
I think.
Yeah, and I took a small sell on that level, on the volume and the weight.
It creating a small order block, and we test it twice, and then we go down again, collecting some money.
Aye.
Hey.
13 minutes for the New York Stock Exchange off.
Oh, my last position is
What
gonna
are
get
you
stopped out.
expecting?
I'm gonna expect to close down my positions and just take the money.
But
Yeah,
you
get out,
didn't.
get out of the elevator.
Should I leave it? You know, I'm busy with typing now, so just keep me updated what's happening. But looking at the thing, I mean, clearly we have a resistance level. So if you go down to lower time frame, if you see a consolidation just below resistance, what does it mean?
He's trying to find
Potential
the direction.
break. It's coming.
Yeah, it's consolidating just below the resistance. The pressure is building up. There's only two ways. It can go up, retest, go higher, or break the structure. So if it breaks 1787, breaks the structure, retest, and it's going to go down.
Yep.
Unfortunately, we are at the mercy of the New Yorkers. I'm still holding
I would
the...
say 90% it would go up.
If you say 90, it's good enough for me.
Yep.
What I'm going to do is just, you know, keep that runner, stop loss, you know, £70 the maximum I can lose on the last trade. So just keep it.
Thomas, do you reckon is there any news that can affect, apart from the high impact news right now on the New York opening?
Like what kind of news?
Just news in general. I'm not too sure what we got. Hold on a sec.
Be specific. Like, yeah, anything can affect the market. Even Putin, Vladimir Putin crashes his left ball, that's going to affect the market.
You know, sometimes on investing.com, you got some news like, according to certain pairs, those news releases can have like a you know, impact.
But well, give me an example. Like a plan news, for example, if you look at the economic calendar, those kind of news, or just random news that Elon Musk suddenly decided to buy a company and sack 60% of the employees.
I don't think that specifically, no. But if you go, like say, investing.com, you go to FOREX, and then you go into, you find a pair that, you know, you look into it, which is...
But like, you talking about economic indicator, like financial data?
No. Yeah, financial data, I guess. Yeah.
Do we have anything in the calendar?
I'm not asking regarding the calendar. I'm asking regarding, you know, investing.com. Do you think it's
I'm
a
here.
good source of information?
I think it's reasonable, reliable. It's faster than the Financial Times for sure. Financial Times, I use it for macro, understanding the big picture. They have really in-depth analysis, especially the opinions. Yes, it's a little bit biased depending on the author or the journalist, but it's very good. And Bloomberg is unrivaled in terms of speed, and is hardcore financial data.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Aguar Nombora is asking securing profits. Yes. All the way, brother. It's almost the end of the year, so anything we make in December, it's a blessing. Make sure you make the money, take the money, don't leave anything on the table. I'm literally closing down positions as we speak.
Yes, better.
Any runners left?
Yeah, I left like half lots. Let me show you my screen.
5 minutes left.
Oh, what? 15 minutes for the New York Stock Exchange Open.
Super. Well done.
Very good.
I took a sell on 1790.
It's still in Ibiza.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think we made enough money today.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
market is
Yeah.
pushing down, most likely going to hit that runner, but you know it's still holding the lower time frame trend.
So we might have a surprise on the opening.
Could have, yeah. We could have a week down and then continuation higher. We're definitely going to see some volume.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the conclusion about this news right now? Like, I feel it's boring than expected.
Yeah. That we're waiting for New York and then we can sit and relax. We stop trading for the day. That's the conclusion. My conclusion.
I mean, we also got.
By the
we
way,
don't have
the yield is pushing up and have rejection.
Which is bad for gold. That's why I said make the
10
money,
years
take the
yield.
money. Let's have a look on the yields. Yeah, we had a rejection, unfortunately. Oh shit, I have an event tonight. I have a Ukrainian friend who's going to make borsch.
What's that?
It's a soup, I think.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh,
we're gonna get pissed, and that's just the cover story to we're gonna have a soup.
So no morning briefing tomorrow.
Gold shooting up again.
Yeah. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, you see how the structure is still holding? I think because we ending near this wedgie right here, this triangle. This is when it becomes volatile, the pressure is building up, and it's going to break to one or the other way.
Okay.
It is a nice corrective pattern for me. Yeah, go up. Nice.
I believe we're gonna see 800, 1800.
Today?
Just my feeling.
Yeah, we have plenty of room to move.
Because if you check USD, gold usually makes a movement of approximate $18 to $30 a day range. So it started at 81 low, and now it's 91. So it still have movement to touch 805 and go down back again.
What do you want to watch? TradingView or MetaTrader?
TradingView, MetaTrader, anything is nice as long as it's going up. You still holding the buy, Marwan?
No, I closed both. I'm out.
Marwan, what's your volume say?
On these two wicks on the upper part on the 5 minutes, it showed these two wicks and then high volume. So I took a sell. And there is also the pivot line. It didn't break it. So on that basis, I took a sell. But when it reached to the bottom of the candle, I closed it. It's good scalping.
Nice.
But it's still showing resistance on the pivot. So if it will break again the pivot line, it's a continuation up, of course. As
I think it's going to break it so freaking hard. Yeah.
Guys, yields got rejected.
If you look at the yields, did you look at the 2-year?
I'm talking about the 10-year, sorry.
10-year. I mean, 10-year is much better. Who knows? Let's focus on gold. Good.
Is that another entry, Thomas? Is that another entry?
Could be, possibly. I mean, until the trend doesn't break.
Easy, Tiger. Not bad.
You know, we have enough buffer built up. I have enough buffer built up to sustain any pullback. The worst case, I'm going to close out in break even. So I'm moving stop losses right here. Trailing. Joseph Raikumar asking, can you provide TP? No, brother, it's your personal, you know, take profit where you're happy. Would you like me to brush your teeth? Come on, it's your money. You're responsible. Everything I do is indicative. It's educational. Just make the money, take the money. If you're happy, you know, if you make 50 pips a day, would you wait in hope of making 1,000? No, you would take it. Absolutely. Every single time when you have the opportunity to take money from the market, just take it.
It makes it much easier if you set a target, daily target. You know, I used not to have any daily target, you know, and then recently I'm sticking to my rule of getting a daily target, and it's helping a lot. So if you made like extra 10% on your daily target, maybe you can play with this 10% to continue trading, or else you can go out.
It helps to stop. You have your daily target.
Yes.
To say, okay, I quit for the day. If you have no daily target, you don't know where to stop.
If you, when you go to the gym, you decide, oh, I'm going to run 20 minutes. Yeah, you have a target. When you're on the market, if you hit the daily target, it's tough to stop, but it's the same as gambling. Once you know, winning streak, as they call, oh yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, double that, you know, put some more money, put a cheeky bet, and then you lose everything. But you know, when you have the target, you just freaking stop.
Marwan, your target is 10% daily?
No. My
10% of his
target is
hourly.
1.5% every day.
I mean, I would believe 10% daily.
No, I used to be very, greedy, you know, but it never helped. So stick to a 1.52% target. That's if you can get the 2% target today. Remember it's cumulative, so it's really good.
Yeah, that's also
Lots of
my
money.
target, but you know.
Tudom, már mondtam. A Béla küldött egy hangüzenetet, hogy ne legyek hülye, menjek, meg hogy kapcsolódjak ki, jó van. Nyugi.
Aye.
Aye.
Silver, that's what it needs to do. Gold, we don't want.
1 minute until New York Stock Exchange open. Is gold going to pump up or go up? So I asked the YouTubers, do you enjoy the live stream? 91% says yes, and 9% said no. Ooh la la.
Oh man.
But still they're watching. Weird, huh?
Oh, yeah.
1% said no.
Yeah, they was on the other side. They're probably trying to
Jerking
short
off
it.
in front of the screen like, oh yeah, making money.
They like to watch.
Of course, they're hiding in the dark.
The audacity. You want me to fight them?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hit them, girl. And we have 10 seconds
Why did
left
I
until
unmute?
we have 10 seconds until New York Stock Exchange opens, so we could have a little pullback on the thing, and we have 2,
5,
1,
6.
No, it's actually open
4.
now.
And boom.
Shit, why I closed it, man?
So let's see, is it going to push up or push down?
Up.
Yeah, it's going up.
Oh, it's breaking the R1 pivot and the previous high. For now.
It's feeling the wick in them.
Oh, it's feeling the wick.
And gold is gonna follow.
Whatever it does,
Wiki, wiki.
I'm loving it.
It's the New York manipulation.
Yeah.
That is best, yeah.
You see, they move it to a price, and then okay, now we have some discussion.
Arrow.
No, I'm not trading. I have my daily target, so
Anyway,
I'm watching.
I'm gonna call it a day now because we've been doing the stream for almost 2 hours. I'm gonna have some break. Did you enjoy the stream today?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Right.
you very much, Ramos.
Nice. Very
Yeah,
good.
almost very enjoyable.
Very good, very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Excellent, guys. See you all Monday.
Monday?
Yeah.
All right, we
Okay,
can have
guys.
we can have a morning briefing tomorrow. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Thomas.
All right. See you later. Bye.
Have a good one.
Have
fun, people. Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the stream today. If you would like to join this wonderful community and get daily morning briefings with live trading, you know, we one of the best rated communities. You know, 4.9 and Trustpilot must be true. If you want daily analysis, morning briefings from an actual economist who worked on the trading floor as a fixed income trader in London, and also as a risk manager for one of the biggest Eastern European banks. So I know economics, I know market moving fundamentals. If you want to receive morning briefings live, get access to my trades, analysis, and just read it on the website. There's one membership left. If you want to take it, the link is in the description below in the chat. Take that last membership because for December I'm closing down, and then we'll be back in January. Thank you so much for watching the stream. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the Alpha FX.